Hello and welcome to another update video about Bitcoin. Yes, super slow price action. It's a bit like watching paint dry at the moment on the Bitcoin chart. Really, but you know, it's just a correction. It's typical corrective behavior. It's normal that it's a bit boring. We haven't had that for a long time actually. You know, things have been very volatile and very interesting in not only in recent weeks but also in recent months. And Bitcoin has performed really well. Of course, in line with the broader crypto market. I mean, Bitcoin is leading anyway. But yeah, let's talk about the structure. I mean, it hasn't really moved since the last update. So I'll keep it short, but still give you a bit of an intraday update there. Idea is still that we are obviously in this correction, in this C wave to the downside. Not yet, but that should be the next wave that should happen. We are currently actually in a B wave. So the idea is that we are in a wave 4 correction though. And this consists of an A, B, C pattern. The B wave should ideally get one more high. For me, from a mindset point of view and the way I see it, yes, I'm looking for one more high, but it's not like, oh, there's a great opportunity there short term. I mean, medium term, long term, Bitcoin should go higher. You know that. It's still a bullish market. I still think Bitcoin is far away from its bull market target top, you know, but in the short term, there is still substantial pullback potential. But overall, you know, anybody who's who's here for the, let's say, the next bull market top, I mean, we're not there. We're not even close. I think it should be around 125K, maybe a bit higher, maybe 140. But we can specify that further as we go along and as we get more price data. As I said, we can specify that further. And this is all about the very short term, however, in which we're currently here in a correction. And I call that at the moment a possible ABC structure in wave B. Now let's take a look at it in the very short term. And the idea is that an A wave topped here on the 20th of March, a B wave bottomed on the 22nd of March. We discussed that at length, and well, we're probably now in this C wave to the upside, and the C wave should reach the white box. Well, we've already arrived there, and that's why I'm saying, you know, yeah, it's possibly just one more high, the icing on the cake. That's it. And surely more could develop out of this, something more bullish, more directly bullish, but I have no evidence for that at this stage. So for me, it's more, okay, we should get one more high. Let's see what happens after that. Surely something more bullish could develop, but at the moment I see this next move up only as the icing on the cake of this B wave. And we've already reached the overall target area as highlighted in white here between 69.9K and 75K. But I'm still looking for one more high, either as an unfolding C wave in wave 5 of C in wave B. Quick explanation. The B wave consists of an ABC structure and the C wave is a 5-wave move. And we might have started the 5th wave already, and then this is an ABC structure. Or maybe wave 4 is actually still unfolding. Okay, so someone asked me earlier today, you know, is this too large for a wave 4? No, I don't think so. This is still okay. Even if the wave 4 unfolds as a triangle pattern, maybe that's possible. Or even if it comes down into this larger support area, yeah, it will get quite large for a wave 4. But I can count it as a wave 4 in a diagonal as long as we're holding 66.7K. And below that level, it's probable, it's getting more probable that the top is in place in this B wave. In the very short term here, we had micro support at 69K. That level did hold. It's possible that wave C has started. Some kind of a pullback is unfolding there. If we now hold in any pullback a higher low than yesterday's low, which was pretty much at 69K, then this could count as a 1-2 setup in wave C. But this is now where we're getting really into, you know, absolute micro counting. So it's possible, of course, that this C wave is unfolding as an ABC structure. But the problem is, as a 5-wave move, this C wave, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This looks like a 3-wave move up to me, however. But then again, because we're in a C wave, it could be an ending diagonal. So that's possible. The thing is, I shared with you in the previous video the levels that need to break for me to at least have an indication that some kind of a low is in place and that we're already moving into the direction of this C wave. Well, and that was the first level that needs to break is 70,650, followed by a break above 71,600, and they haven't broken yet. So for me at the moment, it's still about being patient with this correction, and support levels are clear. Next upside resistances and targets are 71,850, 72,150, 73k. And if we form this C wave to the upside from here, ideally we get close to 73k. So yeah, really just a quick update about Bitcoin. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.